Ever find yourself needing to just replace one image in a clip without having to do anything fancy? So here we go. I've got this image right here using React hooks. If I double click on it, see I got a bunch of toolbar stuff on the top that I didn't really mean to have. So I made a screenshot of that without that. I go grab it. I have it now selected in my media browser, my project browser. I right click on the image here. And I say replace with clip from bin. Boom. That's it. Notice the crop has gone on my image, and I've replaced that simple image with what I wanted.